வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. So இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா March month part 2 current affairs. So first one, who is the brand ambassador for Luxor? So Luxor Writing Instruments Private Limited stationery manufacturer appointed cricketer Virat Kohli as its latest brand ambassador. Swadesh Darshan scheme is an initiative of which union ministry? So Ministry of Tourism had identified 15 tourist circuits under Swadesh Darshan tourism. World's first Vedic clock is being constructed in which city? So in the city அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. When is the World Hand Hygiene Day celebrated? So it is celebrated on May 5. World Health Organization marks May 5 every year as World Hand Hygiene Day. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? So the Mercury is closer to the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to Sun, Venus is the hottest planet. So Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Planet's atmosphere is full of carbon dioxide and has clouds of sulfuric acid. India's biggest spectrum auction for 5G airways worth 4.3 lakh crore has commenced recently. So India's biggest spectrum auction for 72 gigahertz 5G airways worth 4.3 lakh crore has commenced recently. So 72 gigahertz. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is in Rome, Italy. And C. Young from Dash won women's title at All England Open Badminton Champion 2023. So she is from South Korea. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Yatra Tour is a part of which initiative? So IRCTC announced a tour package named Baba Saheb Ambedkar Yatra. So this tour package covers some significant sites associated with life of Dr. Bhimarao Ambedkar, including Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, Nagpur, Sanchi, Varanasi, Gaya, Rajgir, Nalanda. So the tourism is a part of Dekho Apna Desh initiative. And last one, which country has recently announced to ban TikTok from all government? So Canada announced recent ban of TikTok from all government issued mobile devices. அப்படிங்கிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணலாம், அல்லது inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.